Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to auto-edit your photos in Lightroom Classic with just one click of a button, and how to edit all of your photos just one click of the button as well. So first thing I want to show you is how to edit this photo. So go over here and search where you see auto. Click on that, and as you can see, your image has been automatically edited. If you want to shortcut for it, just Command Z to bring it back, and Command U does the auto editing as well. So I'll bring it back, and now I will show you how to edit all of these photos. So click on this one, hold Shift, click on the last one, and now turn on this sync right here. Turn it on, and now every change that you do in one photo will be automatically synced to all of these other photos. So if you do auto right here, it will do auto on every single one of the photos. And this is how you can it can be really useful, because if you have hundreds and hundreds of photos, you can do it in one click of a button, just like this. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.